Cycle safely style. Everyone should know how to ride their bike safely. Your life could take a turn for the worse if you're being unsafe. If you don't have a safe bike, you'll be an ugly sight. Your unsafe bike will never ever do. You need pump tires, oil change, and a helmet too. 2 for 1 is what you need to do. Just because you can see drivers doesn't mean they see you. Follow the road rules. Don't go speeding onto the road. Look to the left, then to the right, and watch out for cars coming your way. Indicate when you turn. This helmets keep you safe on the road. Stick to the left, it might save your life. So cycle safely style. Safely style. Cycle safely style. Safely style. Hey, cycle safely. Whoop, 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 whoop. Use that helmet now. Hey, cycle safely. Whoop, 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 whoop. Use that helmet now.